Good morning, guys. Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you, everyone? Happy Wednesday. I don't know, I woke up with feeling today is Thursday. I was 110% sure it was Thursday, and I was like, damn, it's only Wednesday. I hate Wednesdays. Hate Wednesdays. Guys, how are you? How's your morning? Need to put this somewhere, I don't know, here, like that, okay. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys, good morning. Happy to see you here. No, don't hate Wednesdays. I hate Wednesdays. You know why, guys? You know why I hate Wednesdays, right? We had a PPI, so nice move up, but I still, since Monday, I want to see previous weekly high level on. Yes, we will long guys again today. Just retrace down and I will long. So my plan since Monday remains the same, nothing changed. Previous weekly high level on ES. Yeah, I'm gonna trade ES today again. I traded Asia on my TPT account, made absolutely amazing money. No. So I can trade bigger risk today. Can take bigger risk today. Yeah, I'm bullish for today, and I think I'm not alone with these guys, right? Hot here. Damn, Daniel. Yesterday was hot as well. Right now it's 30 degrees, but yesterday when I was driving, my car showed me it was 35 degrees. Damn, that's a lot. Maximum temperature is 34. And we don't have rain, that's the problem. When it's like super hot, I want to have some rain, like a little bit of rain, at least 5 minutes to reduce this. But yeah, all week we're gonna have 34. But it's gonna feel like 41. Yes, yeah, I agree with you. Feels like 31 now. But it's morning, it's 9 a.m. Good to see you guys as well. I'm looking for longs today. To previous weekly high level on ES. Let's hope, guys, just please, let's hope to get deep retracement down to try this. Feels like 41? Damn. 42 here. Guys. How you can live there? Like, I mean, it's really hard to go outside. I remember when I was living in Belarus, most houses, I mean, you need to buy AC. Most houses, like old houses, don't have AC. Built-in AC. You need to buy this one. And imagine when it's like super hot, like 35, 37 degrees in my country, in Belarus, and you don't have AC. All you can do just open window and that's it. Damn, that's wild. 24, amazing weather. My favorite weather between 25. Hey Sean, how are you? I was just discussing this potential job with my friend. He also wants to see Asia low and daily open. So we were like, let's hope we're gonna get retracement so long, but you know, you never know. Yeah, I mean, it's not only in UK. I would say here in US, you also in some like neighborhoods, you need to get permission to build in something, or like, let's say to put fence, or like to make extra room, for example, or to destroy the wall. In some neighborhoods, you need to get permission for this. Unfortunately. I mean, I don't think in Belarus. I mean, I don't know because I left Belarus when I was 18, so basically I was a kid, but I don't think in Belarus you need to get any permissions for this. But I can be wrong. In Brazil, it's very cold. I remember my husband, he was in Argentina 2 years ago. So when it was super hot here, it was cold there, and vice versa. So if it's so hot in South America, it's gonna be kind of cold in North America. So it's like, it's normal. Oh, of course. Sometimes I'm bullish, but I'm taking short. I mean, guys, you need to be flexible. This year wasn't easy. And when we trade inside high frame consolidation, try to be flexible. Sticking to bias is just nice, but sometimes just accept you're wrong and just flip your bias. Be fast in this. Indeed. Hey, Barbara, how are you? I didn't see you. Monday high is about to be taken, guys. I'm bullish today. I want to see previous weekly high level. You know, like, I know it sounds realistic, but is it even possible to get? Or I'm asking too much? I kind of want to see this, but I don't want to long from where we are right now. It's kind of hard. Yeah, market doesn't care about our bias, unfortunately. Daily, weekly, I'm not sure. I was trying to do some top-down analysis a couple of weeks ago, but inside high time consolidation, daily, weekly, I don't think it's worth it because when we trade inside consolidation, we're moving from the discount of, I would say from lower quadrant of this consolidation to upper quadrant of this consolidation. Not worth it. So technically, I'm looking for higher because we're moving from discount to premium of this consolidation. Hey, Pasha, how are you? Yeah, once again, back to taking opposite trades, it's normal. Sometimes if you're bullish, but you see like textbook setup for shorts and lots of confirmation for this, take it. Trust your model, trust the process. Yeah, you know, when we have lower time frame consolidation, but good high time frame trend, it's fine to trade this. But when we have high time frame, medium time frame, and lower time frame consolidation, it's almost impossible to trade this. Almost, but still tradable. How I handle losses? You know, most of my, like you see on streams, I take trades because I think about this, like, I'm very picky with my entries, and I think about entry twice, like, or sometimes 3 times. I'm thinking, what if we're gonna break below 10 AM open, example, but I'm bullish. Can I try to short this retracement to long later? Yeah, absolutely, it's not a problem. Oh, Daniel, I wish. Sometimes I can be wrong about this retracement. I'm going to take a loss. But once again, I already talked about this. My first try, no matter what, if I'm like trading with bias or without bias or against bias, whatever, is always, my risk is twice less. So my first try is always small risk, but good risk reward. Second try is always like normal risk. But how I handle losses? If I took a loss, first, my trade was based on my plan, based on my strategy. If it didn't work, it didn't work. I mean, just accept this. You know, I cannot do anything about this. Impossible to be right 100% of the time. Just accept this and move on. Don't think about your losses, because when you think about your loss, you cannot focus on your next trade. Yeah, exactly. Michael, I want to go long, but not from here. Tell us about, yeah, I noticed my best trades on gold happens after 8. So I usually wait for 8 p.m. to try to trade. For example, on Monday, I didn't take any trades because my model wasn't presented. Maybe it was, but after like 9, I didn't pay attention. But yesterday, I posted executions on Twitter as well. So as we can see here, price was consolidating here, even if, guys, I saw some liquidity sweeps here, but what happened here? Nothing. So I cannot short simply because we got 30-minute sweep or hourly sweep, right? Because nothing happened on the left side, right, of the chart. Keep waiting. What happened here? Okay, finally we got liquidity sweep here. Did we get OB to short this? Went higher. By the way, respected VWAP. I keep VWAP on my chart. What happened next? We got one more sweep. So we already have double sweep. And we got 3-minute OB. So here, since finally something happened, we took previous liquidity level, some buy side on the left side. So what I decided to do? Well, finally, very first signal for short. And as you can see, pretty much bearish. Price respecting equilibrium of this move up. Worth to try to short this. At the same time, as you can see, it failed to offer drop here. So technically, we have failure swings. And I was like, well, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, let's try. 6-point stop loss, I want to try this one. And I got a bit more than 2R. So I was waiting for this sell side to be taken, and it was near 2R. It's gold. I was trading gold, you can see executions on Twitter. once again, guys, yes, I saw we got sweep here, here, but if you're going to pay attention, even if we got sweep here and even if we got order block, look at the left side. What happened here? Something happened? If your answer is no, avoid it. It's your unnecessary loss. Wait for something to happen on the left side. Sweep, retracement to premium, retracement to fair value gap, order block. Yes, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, guys. On gold, I trade just one, on gold, everywhere. I trade just one single strategy. Usually during Asia, I'm not going to lie, I'm looking at medium time frame. 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, somewhere there. Guys, my ideal plan is to see drop to Asia low. That's exactly what I want to see. That's exactly what I want to see. Hello, Amelia. Retracement down to Asia low long. I'm not sure if NQ took previous weekly high level. T-Trades would agree with that. With what? Maybe, but with what? Chris, thank you. Oh, 15-minute chart. Oh, nice. Well, perfect. Chris, I can be wrong because I believe I'm asking for too much, but you're probably talking about double sweep, right? Sweep here, longs. Did I get this right? I hope so. Yeah, I think we're looking at the same things, right? Monday high wasn't significant. It was like just near CPI high. That's why I deleted CPI high and highlighted Monday high. So it basically was equal highs. Yeah, it's fine. On silent. I think so. Talking about order blocks, 1 second, guys. While I'm waiting, while I'm looking for order block post on my Twitter, don't forget to click the like button and share the stream. Subscribe. 1 second, I will find the post about order block. Very important one. Order block. But we can do mini lesson maybe by the end of the stream about OBs. Guys, print this, it's really helpful, but I believe we can do small lesson after stream, like after 11. Yeah, I remember about NQ, yeah. We do have SMT at high though. Yeah, just remind me, let's do after like giveaway at 11. Why you look young? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yesterday I had like dentist appointment and just at the middle of like, well, I was silent. I was doing nothing. He was working with my teeth so because I had lots of problems there. And he's like, he stopped. Guys, listen, it was so funny. Yes, I couldn't laugh, but I wanted so bad. He stopped for like for a minute or two and said, you know, I figured out you are figure skating coach. I was like, what? What is going on? Like, how did he come up with this idea? Like, just guys, he stopped like just randomly saying like, yeah, I figure out you figure skating coach. I was like, well, you cannot even imagine what I do for a living. Guys, I wanted to laugh so bad yesterday. I just couldn't. And I was like, yeah, I was thinking like, damn, my kids do figure skating. Like, how is it even possible? It was funny yesterday. I mean, it was funny yesterday. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna bring something. My dream is to learn how to skate, actually, because I never ever did this in my life. Russian blood. Yeah, maybe. Lots of Russian actually do this, right? Figure skating. My kids do figure skating twice a week. Plus we have private class. Figure skating private class. Yeah, Barbara, that's what I just said, yeah. For 4 years. So we do figure skating for 2 years, I guess, since my first son was 4, second son was 2, I believe. Almost 3 and almost 5. Yeah, now they're like 5 and almost 7. Yeah, but our like goal, I guess, to do hockey. But you know, like lots of hockey players now. Also, like big competition between them. Chris, I'm not sure about shorts yet. It's really hard to frame shorts setup. Yeah, they do a nice job. You know, they just I just bought figure skates, guys, because we have 2 pairs of skates, like hockey skates and figure skates, and it's really hard to like do figure skates for them because, come on, it's completely different, like completely different skates. They keep falling. That's why I hired like private coach for them. Because they cry, they cannot stay. They keep falling on these figure skates. Hockey skates, no problem. They do like lots of nice stuff there, but figure skates, damn, that's hard for them. Yeah, Sean, exactly. You know, I bought roller skates for them, so we have like hockey rink, but on the ground. Like next to our playground, they have hockey rink. I bought roller skates for them, so I guess I felt like it's gonna be same as figure skates, but no, it's completely different one. Yeah, definitely hockey is better for them. I'm just saying, like, big competition between hockey players now. Lots of hockey players now. Interest in trading? Oh, it's really hard to say. I'm the person, yeah, you know, guys, when I see, like, if girl trades and I don't know how to do this, damn, I would try to die, but if I'm not going to make it, I would try to die, guys. Because if she can make it, this means I can make this as well. It's like, I guess, I know, like, maybe because, like, we're Slavic, we want to be first all the time. We want to prove, like, we are better than other people. It's mental issue, guys. It's mental issue. I'm Slavic person. Me. Imagine my kids are also Slavic. Like, what the heck? To keep going, I don't know, like, Slavic equals A+++ setup. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, Sean, exactly right. In which line? What color? On gold? MXM, I guess yes, because it's different time for him there. He didn't text me this morning, so let's see where is he. I will ask him if he's going to attend us today. Oh, you know, maybe. Hello. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm doing great. Kids doing great as well. So everything is nice. Thank you for asking. How are you? Funny because everything, like, since Monday, I start my analysis with exactly the same line. I want the CD retracement long. Are you ignoring the daily highs? I'm bullish. I want to see previous weekly high today. I just don't want so long where we are right now. We do have SMT. We need to get retracement down to long. School. So they do summer camp now. I believe school is gonna start August 10, if I'm not mistaken. So we're preparing for school. You know, I noticed if I'm bullish on indices, gold usually trying to catch up. This means it's bullish as well. You new here? Welcome. I do trade ICT Concept, yes. 7600, let's see what I have there. 1 second. 76. On SPX, right? At 75.84 we have gap fill. I do like this idea though. So we're gonna open near 60s. Oh yeah, let's retrace to long, please. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Did I say I'm bullish? I'm bullish, guys. Good morning, good morning. Bullish or bullish? I'm not gonna short. I mean, I can short retracement, but I'm not bearish. I'm bullish. Gotta repeat this again. Bullish, guys. Bullish, bullish. They put crown yesterday in my tooth, guys. It's so dumb. It's so painful. No, please don't say this. When you say confusing, normally just really bad day for me. Yeah, thank you, Barbara, for reminding me. Yes, Pasha, exactly. Thank you. Nice point. Nice point. Does help, you know, guys, you know, since I'm Cancer, I guess, yes, when I help people, I feel so good after this, and I don't ask anything back, as well as I love to gift something. I feel so good about this, and I really don't care how much I'm going to spend on this. I can buy expensive gifts, and I feel like, damn, it's so good to give this, and I don't need anything back. Hey, Mexican Dance, how are you? Long time no see. You said 30,000, yeah. Previous weekly high level for me is weekly objective. Helping people? Yeah. Your life, woohoo! You know, Chris, Flash Golden appeared yesterday at the middle of stream with just random message and nothing else. Oh, 1 second. Oh, by the way, maybe. Maybe. It's your birthday? Like, seriously? Send me a message. And happy birthday. For another book. Oh, guys. Probably no. That book is 3 years old book. And of course I want to add lots of updates. And pretty much I want to like have completely different book. But guys, it takes so much time to write this. So no plans for this yet. Maybe I will do this like later this year or next year. But guys, it takes so much energy to write this. I was thinking about this, but yeah, so far, no. First time, welcome, and I'm happy to see you here. Hope you're gonna enjoy this. Feel free to ask questions. We're here to help each other because we're trying to build best community, ICT community here, who's ready to respect each other, help each other, and so on. Let me see. You thinking about shorts? You think it's gonna look like that? Sweep of this small highs, first stage of accumulation, first stage of distribution of market. Damn, it actually can play out. Let's see. You think this one? Damn, I don't want to take this because I'm scared to trade right at after market open. But knowing this market, everything is possible. We will see. I'm not sure about this yet, so you know, I hate to trade before market open or right at market open. It's kind of risky for me, but I'm gonna just forward test this. I'm not brave enough. I'm going to say this from the very beginning, Chris. Don't worry. I'm not brave enough. I don't have balls yet for this. I don't have balls for this, but definitely don't mind. It's gonna be my mental trade, you know? Just not going to lie. I don't like it. Let me set up accounts. 190. What? Oh, yeah. Okay, 2 minutes left. ATM model, you mean... What kind of ATM model? Will open up? Guys, my plan, I don't want to take this. It's just forward testing, guys. My ideal plan is this one. And I'm gonna trade ES. I want to long today. I am bullish, but once again, we're gonna see how it's gonna play out. This one is for forward testing, I guess, because I'm not good trading at a market open. I truly believe it's super risky. Let's actually delete this one. It's super risky, not worth it. We can expect judicing, in other words, manipulation, just absolutely unnecessary loss or win before like real good move. I will stay away. I'm not brave enough. I already said this. I'm gonna just wait. Don't want to make unnecessary, and I don't want to make stupid mistakes and take unnecessary losses. I will stay away, even if it's going to play out amazing, perfect, brilliant. Not for me. There's something that's not worth it, you know. I will trade today, but after 9:50. Okay. Just not for me. I truly believe we can manipulate up first. Just be careful, guys. Manage your risk properly. I'm not going to trade this. Oh, we have speaker 10? Good to know. Okay, guys, 20 seconds left. Yeah, just think twice before entering the trade. What can you see here? What is going on? Do you see like textbook confirmation, textbook setup here, A+ confirmation for short? I don't. Not worth it for me. Another SMT between ES and NQ. Here's the manipulation I was talking about. This will happen 90% of the time. ICT said be careful, guys. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to say something. ICT visited us pretty much almost every single day. And every single time when he says, be careful, this means just, guys, close your charts, enjoy your day, touch some grass. Because every single time when he says, be careful and take a trade, guys, every single time I take a loss. Like, guys, swear to the God. I don't remember a day when I took a win after he said, be careful. Why you told me this, actually? I didn't want to know about that. It's your fault. He said this by the end of his morning lecture. That's so funny. Like, if I want to long and ICT said, be careful, we're gonna short this. By the way, let's actually try this. This is gonna be so funny. Switch your bias, like, immediately. Damn, that's funny. Guys, I'm bullish today to previous weekly high level. We do have kind of decoupled market now. Who's right? NQ is right now. Because NQ is doing exactly what I want to see on ES. But you know, we have SMT. Let's see if I'm gonna see on 15 now. My perfect plan for both ES and NQ is to get this one. Plan is exactly same on ES, exactly same on NQ. So I want to see lower to long. I'm bullish, I'm bullish, I'm bullish. It wasn't said here. Good for us, yes, good for us. Oh, guys, let's hope we're gonna get longs today. No, don't go up. Please stop. Stop. I want to long, but not... Once again, I do like how we respected New York midnight open. It's actually a nice reaction, but damn. Not what I want to see. No bullish? Just... Oh, no way for me. I cannot be bearish. I don't mind to get retracement, but nothing tells me to be bearish. TV lagging today? I didn't notice this. Is it? Oh, my alert box was hit yesterday as well during Asia, but I didn't hit. I didn't get an alarm, any notifications, you know. Let's check SPX, guys. I did trace, please. I deserve retracement so long. No, don't go up. Wait for us. Wait for us, stop. I hope it's gonna like offer like just straight down now to daily open in Asia low, so we will full port longs. But guys, in case NQ will retrace to Asia low, I will long NQ at this point, not ES. Decoupled market, hello. 2026. I had such a nice plan. I'm gonna delete this one, guys. Yeah, that's a plan. Let's see if it's gonna sweep Asia low to long. I'm bullish to previous weekly high, but... Well, I took a loss... When we took a loss? 2 days ago? On Trump tweet. It was in Q long. I was right on my TPT account. Other accounts worked in. But not significant loss for me. $440. But I recovered this loss like yesterday. Actually, I made twice more. So good. Good for me. Good for me. You think like Asia low not realistic? I mean, you never know, guys. You never know. With this market, nothing surprised me anymore. Keeping my eyes on SPX though. Let's see. Just praying to get textbook set up. Trap now. Nice. I traded gold only. I keep trying to trade gold during Asia only. But good trade. I do like how it honestly respects in VWAP. Good job. I took on the short during Asia. I'm up $600 on my accounts. On each account, but for AM session or pre-market, nothing yet. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Market is decoupled now, guys. ES keep going higher and Q keep going lower. What's going on? Let's check YM. YM keep making all-time high. Insane. But yeah, probably will long in Q at this point. No, I use regular VWAP. And guys, don't ask me how to use this. I just started using yesterday. See that, right? Well, guys, I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave you with my chair. If you have any questions, ask him, and he will help you, okay? I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. Damn, look at this reaction. I love it. Did I miss something? Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. See, maybe like once again, nothing surprises us anymore, right? Look at this straight down. Sit on your hands, yes. Sure, what do you smell like? Like Dasha? Damn, that's funny. No, don't read the book before taking core content. It should offer some volatility at 10 a.m. Yes. Oh, looks so good. Looks so good. I absolutely in love with this move on NQ. Exactly same had to happen on ES, but oh, come on. But once again, if it's not going to drop on ES, we'll just long NQ. It's not a problem, right? We have same target on NQ. Nice. Guys, listen. Good job who took short. But once again, even if you say like Dasha short this, and I see now my model here, I'm not going to take this. Thank you. I really appreciate to see your opinion, but sorry about this. I'm not gonna trade this. If I don't see my model here, it's fine. I'm just gonna miss this. I will have my like setup later. Look at this. Damn it. That's so good. I don't use indicators for new week opening gap. I just use my hands to show this. Yeah, we plan the trade, we trade the plan. That's pretty much it. But good job who took short. For NQ short, Asia low and daily open. So I'm not sure, but target is between Asia low and daily open. This one, this range. I want to see there. SPX, maybe SPX not SPX, ES doesn't need to retrace to daily open as well at this point. We can get some sort of SMT, but SPX needs to touch 25-50%. Did I take this one? Yeah. Maybe even OT. Needs to trade back to the gap. You think you did this wrong? Like, comment? Message? Maybe. I'm just talking in general. Five minutes for a value gap. Nice. I mean, nice. I banned you last night? Last night I was sleeping. I didn't do this. I mean, I don't know. What happened last night? What time Trump is speaking? You never know, but I would say between 10:15 and 10:35. Maybe. I don't use volume for confirmation. I don't really need this. What happened yesterday? I mean, I don't know. You sure it was me? In timeout, what happened? I don't remember. We just got this closure on 2-minute chart. You know, the problem with short on ES, we don't need the deep retracement anymore, simply because NQ approaching this level. So I'm not sure we're gonna get like big drop on ES, so I'm gonna, I guess, I don't know, miss this one. I mean, no reason to take this, I would say. Yes, I'm going to take this. It's not gonna work, because no reason for this drop anymore. Yeah, sorry about this, but I don't remember. Okay, it's fine. You're good, don't worry. Timeout means like you said something not good, but timeout just like for a day, maybe even less. Guys, looking for longs today. Oh, got it. Yeah, did you notice like we're getting pretty much similar price action since Monday? It's good. Let's drop to long. It will. It should offer another leg down, don't worry. I mean, maybe we need to worry about this, but I want to see like lower. Look at SPX. We need to hit 25-50% at least. For longs, we're gonna trade 3-minute OB or 5-minute OB. I don't mind SMT though. I just switch from 15-minute chart, yes. Nice drop here. Nice here. Perfect. Let's see if we're gonna get deeper retracement down on ES. It's 9:45 only. Nice. It's nice. Ow. Yeah, guys, let's wait. We'll look for longs. Just let's give this some time. I mean, you got my plan. I said this, I don't know, like 15 times? I know how many times actually I said this, but you got my plan. Once again, maybe I don't need to see deep retracement on ES if it's gonna be solid confirmation for longs from Asia low or daily open on NQ. Chris, with this volatility on NQ, I would rather to play with sleepy ES. Seriously. See how it felt to take previous weekly high level? Damn. Long can be good. Not now. The problem with NQ, it's big range and really hard to trade this, because even with 2 micros, it's big stop loss. With ES, I can trade more contracts with and it's gonna be smaller risk. So I would try to play with sleepy ES, just because of risk. Not ES, yeah. ES just slow today, but once again, it's not only 9:45 now. Yes, we have speaker at 10, guys. We're gonna get something, maybe not now, but later. We're not on rush. SPX just traded into 25-50% range of current RTH gap. Maybe don't mind to see OT simply because buy side was taken. Remember we were talking about this. If buy side liquidity fails or sell side fails to be taken right after market open, we want to see 25-50% of RTH gap long to this buy side or sell side. If buy side or sell side taken right after market open, we want to see OT of the gap, right? Which is like below 50%. So maybe it will not offer the action here. We should go lower. It's according to my back tests. So kind of like that. Yeah, I see. Okay, NQ done with what I want. So I'm gonna delete this one. Yes. We will see. Yeah, it takes some time transition from Pro to Pro Plus. So please give some time. I know, like some people wait for a week. It's fine. Yeah, looking for longs, guys. Looking for longs. Just not sure what I want to trade. Probably. We will see. I will keep you updated. I don't see long setup on ES though yet. But since ES is so strong, maybe it will be right to trade ES. 25%, nice. Same on SPX. But once again, on SPX, I don't mind to see break below 50% of the gap, simply because it took liquidity level already. You think we're gonna get this one? Like sip of daily open? It's gonna be interesting. Just need to see how NQ will play with this. Chris, sometimes we can reverse from 1.5 to offer silver bullet. Usually we get in retracement there, back to breaker block or unbalanced fair value gap, untouched fair value gap, untapped fair value gap, call this whatever you like. But if market, let's say bullish, and we're retracing down from 1 to 1 and 1.5 to unbalanced fair value gap or breaker block, so we usually offers straight up to 2 and 2.5, right? Hard to talk today. And from 2 and 2.5, we're retracing one more time before they'll move. From 740, okay. I will long ES, guys. That's my plan. I believe you're gonna get good trade. I don't trade forex. Nice drop. Nice. Looking for longs on ES. Have you ever traded forex? No. I do trade sometimes Euro futures, 6E chart, sometimes 6B chart. It's a British pound, but yes, Chris. I love when you speak, not English. Expecting more drop on NQ? Yes, simply because SPX can retrace a bit more to downside. But once again, I will long above New York midnight open. At OT now. SPX just hit 50%, but once again, according to my observations, if liquidity level taken, we usually go to OT. So another 5-6 points lower on ES and SPX can happen. Or we're gonna break above New York midnight open now. We'll offer SMT and we can try this one. No. Yes, guys, you can ask your questions after 11. I'm gonna do mini lesson about order blocks. Sorry. Where's MMXM? I know, I'm gonna text him after stream. Not valid yet. So I will look for first try to long this above New York midnight open, weekly open for like 2 hours. But as long as we sit with New York midnight open, it's red flag for me, no longs possible. But even if it's gonna continue going lower, this trade idea will be valid, just for later. Data low, CPI low, it was... What's the price for this level? Damn, big drop at this point. That's a bit more than I expect to get today. I'm looking for like lows near daily. Guys, I believe CPI low can be low of the week. That's how I see this. I believe Tuesday can be low of the week. So I hope low is in. I don't want to see CPI low on yes. That's my plan. Some retracement to downside. Long it, please. How big risk? Oh, nice risk. We can trade 5 micros. What time is this? Whatever. We'll try this one soon. Ow. They put crown yesterday in my tooth and damn, so bad. It hurts. How big risk on this trade? I love it. 5 micros, I'm gonna risk $200. Wow, that's nice. To make like 500? Let's try. Let's try. Damn, so bad. Second try will be from daily open. That's it. So risking $200 on this trade. And I'm up $600 on this account. So decided to like half risk. Here, guys. My first try on the day. By the way, Lumi level is here. Just notice this Lumi level. Lumi level. You can trail your stop loss. I mean, I will trail my stop loss below once we hit this level. Ow. Risk is $200, so first try worth it. If I'm early, I'm okay. Guys, I'm okay. Accept this fact. I said I'm gonna long above New York midnight open. We broke up with displacement. Why not? Why not to try? If I'm wrong, I will stop out and I will try again later again. From daily open and Asia low. That's my second plan. Right? Who are we to give up? That's gonna be my second plan. Over here. That's Lumi level at 17.25. But at least I can trail my stop loss after this. Oh, in case we're gonna hit this, of course. What time is this? 9:57. We have speaker at 10, right? At 10. Damn, it's painful. This blue line, yeah, it's my key level. After this level, I can trail my stop loss because this level can confirm potential reversal or continuation. And I will sweep after. I will sweep Dasha. I will trail after this. Reducing my risk just a little bit before news. So basically risking nothing. I mean, like small risk for me. How much I'm risking? 6 points? How much is this actually? $150? Nice. Second CP is 50% of this big week that we got at 9:36. Or what time we got this actually? 9:37, yeah. Guys, I don't mind second leg down. So if I'm going to stop out, I will enter here. Not problem. Not a problem for me. I'm gonna trail over here. It's news, guys. I mean speaker. We have speaker. I'm gonna trail here. So I can expect manipulation. So I don't mind to get stopped here, but like small profit. Just small profit. Just a little bit of profit. My second TP is 76.23.25. It's 50% of 2-minute wick. Just would like to... I treat this as liquidity level. As buy side, call it whatever you like. It's a key level. Yeah, we're at break even. So if it's gonna be big down close candle, I don't care. I'm at break even here. We plan the trade, we trade the plan, no matter what. Raise, by the way, what time frame is this? It's 1 minute chart. Let me do something. I'm gonna measure this one. What's the level here? It's 23. Okay. Good one. I like it. It's mean threshold of 1 minute order block. Works. Works for me, guys. It works for me. It works for me. We just hit breaker block. We'll take one more contract here. How many contracts left? I'm gonna... 23. I'm gonna switch to 2. We'll take one more contract here off simply because we just entered 1 minute breaker block, so worst to clock some more profit. Trump, please sleep. So yeah, let's see what will happen next. NQ is still kind of fighting, but damn, it's W trade idea, you know? You already deserve W, guys. Let's put 2 small W's, like that. Up. Cute, right? 2 like small W's, because we are the best. As always. As always, we're doing nice, right? Why? Because we are the best. Confidence, patience, discipline. No matter what, guys. Confidence, patience, discipline. Did I say this? Confidence, patience, discipline. Want to see mean threshold of 1 minute OB and 50% of 2-minute wick at 76.23. So bad. So bad. Yeah, guys, don't be scared to trust your plan. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. Don't focus on this, move on. You will get another chance later. Still want to see 76.23. Need trade? You remember this, right? Nice, nice. Nice. Icons. Icons. Wait, market makers. Hit 76.23 and go whatever. Guys, I want to see previous weekly high level. We're gonna get another chance if it's gonna drop to daily open. Which is good for us. We have solid plan. Oh, nice. Our second long will be from Asia low. On ES, on ES. ES stronger, that's why long ES. Initially wanted to long in Q, but kind of slow in Q now. Looking at SPX, we have next level 11 points higher, which is gap fill from June 4th. We will see. Bullish today, we're gonna get another long. If not now, now win longs. We're gonna get another entry. I hope it's not gonna drop now because I want to hit my at least second TP, because the second TP is high, like guaranteed, conservative. If it's not gonna hit this scam, what else? What else I can say about this? 23. 23, 76.23. Please. I'm not asking a lot. Just bounce to 76.23, guys. And I'm gonna close most positions there because I'm okay with reversal from 76.23. Not okay with reversal now. So, Magnus, edit. Higher, 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 higher. A bit higher, higher, higher. Damn it. By the way, look how MAS took this high while ES didn't. 23, 23, 23, 23. Guys, 76.23, partial there. It's like really important level. 23, 23, 20. Yay! Damn it, that's funny. Yay! Guys, now break even, like, seriously, trust me. Micro left. Just one micro contract left to previous weekly high level. Let's see. Like, unnecessary level for me, but I wouldn't mind. Good money actually today. Up 800 already, but because I made money during Asia. Isn't that amazing? Michael, one micro left. So I'm limited with contracts. I want to see previous weekly high. I'm happy we entered the trade before 10 because we could miss the opportunity. Previous weekly high, previous weekly high. Guys, W in the chat, we kill it as always because we're consistent, patient, disciplined, and the most important part, we are the best. We are the best. Click the like button, guys, subscribe, share. I'm here every single day, trade every single day. We take lots of trades on stream and most of them W's, of course. Yeah. I deserve like, guys. At least, like. Considering risk, guys, damn, it's worth to try. I put one tick below previous weekly high level because it's yes. Yes plays sometimes shitty games with us. But you know, guys, looking in hindsight, our entry seems from nowhere, but damn, we barely were in drawdown. We will do mini lesson after 11, not after stream, after 11 here on this stream about order blocks. I will talk about OB, how to pick right order block. So guys, stay here until like 11. So we will talk about order blocks. Important concept. Lots of people confused about this, how to pick right OB, when we're gonna use sequence, when we're gonna use just one candle. So it's common issue for people. We will talk about this. Love you guys. Love you. Why? In Q did sweep daily open. We broke below this level and traded back above this level. Guys, just one micro left on my position. So far our exit pretty much sniper exit. That's why I said make sure to close most positions there, because you don't want to stop out, because this level is buy side, if I can call this. So see this wick over here, definitely buy side is here, but when we have long wick, 50% acts same way as buy side, as this high. So 50% make sure to lock profit there. But previous weekly high, I don't know, it's my drawn liquidity since Monday. I mean, definitely they can play games, but once again, I believe Tuesday is low of the week. I mean, I want to see this as low of the week. Yeah, we can enter second trade if it's gonna drop to Asia low and daily open. I don't mind this at all, guys. Seriously love this idea. But since we're sitting in this trade, let's just finish this. Let's see how it goes. No reason to close now simply because we're getting some sort of rejection. We already closed most position off at key level. Let's just learn how to hold runners to key levels as well. Right? Previous weekly high level is important buy side. Like important buy side. And look how, you cannot see in Q chart, but look how far in Q from previous weekly high. Just let's see. We always can re-enter. You know, I didn't mind to see initially. My perfect plan was we're looking for ES to drop to daily open Asia low, then long. But I said as well, if NQ gonna take this level, we'll offer SMT with ES and confirmation for long, we're gonna ignore this. So at this point, I don't want to see Asia low and daily open on ES. I mean, this worked, but if it decides to drop hard now, we will try again. Why have line here but not have line here? That's strange, right? Gonna make my chart a little bit bigger. Let's see, just need another leg higher. So why I decided to trade ES? ES was stronger than NQ. And I guess it was right decision simply because look at NQ, it's so slow now. SMT gaps on both sides. You think it's gonna chop? You know, we will see. I absolutely love this reaction so far from 50%, as you can see here, but reaction not confirmed yet. Let's switch on SPX to see. We expected 50%, but once again, I also don't like this 50%. Normally, we go to OT first before real move. So if it's gonna drop now, definitely want to try again later. Too long, but gap fill from June 4th lines up with previous weekly high level on ES, so we have draw higher. I just don't know if it's gonna drop again, but if so, once again we will re-enter. It's not a problem. It's not a problem for us, right? I don't see a lot right now. Oh, it's 5-minute chart. I mean, I don't see a lot on 2 as well. Like, whatever. What was the gap here? Do you see this? So far we got almost 2R. I love it. Almost 2R. Let me read the chat. Why are you happy? I'm always happy. Enjoy your life, man. If you have immediate rebalance. So I don't think immediate rebalance actually important for me if we have OB and confirmation of reversal. Oh yeah, I always say when I enter the trade, always. Like always. 23 is important. Yeah, let's talk about this. But I'm gonna talk about it by the end of the stream because it's OB. But as you can see, we got order block here, right? Which actually confirmed a reversal. See? So in order to say if order block is high probability OB or low probability OB, what I expect to get? let's talk about bearish OB, but exactly the same applies for bullish order block. In order to say order block is high probability, we should respect mean threshold. In other words, 50% of this order block. We got reversal here, see? It was last up close candle before a reversal. So this became order block. And even like, okay, let's say it's still bearish, like we don't know. In order to say this order block is gonna play out for us since we got first retest of this OB, we need to respect 50% of order block. At this point, it can be point of reversal. So 23 was 50% of order block. That's why I partial there. Because I don't know, I don't know, like, NQ is still kind of bearish. I don't know if we're gonna reverse again. I mean, no one knows. I would try to lock some profit at this mean threshold because it's resistance or support level. And just chill my stop loss. And I always recommend to do this, guys. Did I answer your question? Gonna trail my stop loss here. Should I trail here? I guess so. I wish I had more contracts, but whatever. You're very welcome, guys. It's not a problem for me to explain stuff. So far, as you can see, yes, we're trying to break above mean threshold, but we're still sweeping this level. We did not get the closure above this level yet, right? At this point, just be careful. Manage your risk. They can start playing games soon. Once it will take IM session buy side, I will trail my stop loss. What? I did not understand you. Look your message again. Understood nothing what my husband wrote here. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's talk about these giveaways, how you're gonna enter giveaway. So, make sure to enter just once. Don't change your emails. Don't change your usernames, because if you're gonna enter more than 2 times, you're gonna be removed from giveaways forever. So yesterday we set up like new settings. If you're gonna enter more than once, you're gonna be removed forever. Don't send me messages saying like I participate every single day but cannot win for like a year. Okay? Starting today, you can enter just once. I can see if you change your nickname. I can see if you're changing your email. I can see this. Okay? Just once. Let's break above IM high. I will move my stop loss to 23. Please just keep this tight. Not yet. So what I'm trying to do now, if it's gonna break above IM session buy side, I will keep my stop loss super tight to 76.23. See these wonderful games? It was like 2 points away. Ah! It's normal, I would say. What the heck, man? But okay, I mean, we're keeping stop loss tight already. Look at this drop, like tick away from IM session buy side. Are you man kidding me? Anyway, stop and profit. It's just 1 micro. Keeping my trying to manage my risk. Oh, news? Okay. Look how different ES and MES. Wow. I still want to see previous weekly high level. Nice, absolutely nice. Nice trade here. It's funny. What will happen next, guys? Can we expect daily open on ES to enter the trade? Because I don't know. Okay, the rest stop in profit, 6 points in profit. Absolutely damn, it's like A+ trade. I still want to see previous weekly high level. Love it. But look at NQ. NQ still kind of bearish. You know what will be funny now? This. If it's gonna just offer straight up, it will be funny because my runner stop like to the tick right now. But once again, I'm happy to re-enter, but not from here. From here. It's gonna be my second trade idea. It's W, yeah. Happy with this trade. Good money made today. Love it. Love it. Love it. And Q bearish, yeah. That's why we're trying to keep our risk, our stop loss tight and trail this fast. Finkenware would like to re-enter. Still holding above 10 AM open, 9 AM open. And Q keep making SMTs over and over again. Over and over again. Over and over again. Yes, you have to enter giveaway every single day. Yes. My friends, yes. I mean, let's see if it's gonna break 9 AM open. I want to see another leg down, like a big leg down. Okay, guys, we got this trade, this one. Cannot like complain. Nice risk, nice reward. 1.8. Let's see if it's gonna drop here now. SPX can drop to OT. I will love this so much. We closed here, right? Up, up, like that. Visual low is coming. We just broke below 9 AM open. Look at it. Let me switch back on charts, guys. Just broke below 9 AM open. I want to see straight down now to Asia low. Like straight down. I do like SPX as well. Like here. Let's see if it's gonna be straight down move. And we will try again. We will try again. Breaking below New York midnight open, another bearish signal here. Don't want to short, but I would like to see Asia low. Yeah, short if you like short, like short it. I can make money on longs as well. I mean, I have a plan. Let's check. Okay. I want to see straight down simply because we broke 9 AM open and 10 AM open. So far, it's 1 minute chart. Let me switch on 3. Yeah, trying to displace below New York midnight open. Like less than 2 minutes left on this candle. No, I want to see lower now. Like now. Like now. I don't want to short this, but I want to see lower. Good trading today, guys. As always, consistency. Gonna finish this day so far $800 in profit, which is nice. 76.23. So technically trying to short. Oh, I got it. From 50% of 2-minute wick. Maybe it's smart actually, and not maybe. I love it. Market quite decoupled. What next I want to see? Quick check of gold. But guys, I want to see, yes, low the week is in yesterday. Okay, 30 seconds left on this candle. Let's see how we're gonna close above or below weekly open and New York midnight open. Damn, NQ so bearish. Chris, like higher? Guys, hit the like button. They're the best. Let's hit 500 likes and we will start giveaway. As I promised yesterday, today we're gonna get... Today I'm gonna do Lucid accounts, Flex accounts. We closed above weekly open, New York midnight open. Keep waiting. First invalidation is here. Desktop manager. I'm watching it correctly. What? What you watching? What's that? Guys, can you please enter just once? Don't try to change emails, usernames. I can see this when you enter giveaway. Or the 46 people did not listen to me. 46 people. I can see this if you trying to cheat, okay? I can see this. I can see this, okay? 46 people. I can see this. So we got first invalidation here simply because we swapped New York midnight open and weekly open. Yes, still staying bullish to me. Link to giveaway. Yeah, sure. 1 sec. I'm gonna send you now. Because it's not fair if cheaters win giveaway. Okay? It's just not fair. Ask my husband, he's in the chat. Husband, do you trade? Hey MXM, where did it look like W? You missed this. Where were you? Life is not fair, yeah. He does this like long term. Yes, at all. At all. I cannot call my husband a trader. Look how, guys, perfect textbook example. See how we swept weekly open and New York midnight open? That's immediate invalidation of shorts. I mean, shorts. But it's kind of hard to trade this. You were trying to set up your ninja trader. Okay, when I try to set up order flow indicator, order decorator, right? I will record short video how to do this, okay? It should work, but lots of people have confusion. Yeah, I will record short video how to install this. We'll use my laptop because I have this already on my desktop. You have to short here. I mean, guys, short it if you see short. I don't like gold now. I mean, I keep my eyes on gold on another screen. I don't like it. See, we displace above 10 AM open and 9:30 open again. Difficult short, if it's gonna be short. Kind of difficult one. I'm leaning more bullish on ES here, simply because ES stand above 3 key levels. I want the previous weekly high level, but damn! What was the point of the deep retracement if it's gonna pump to previous weekly high now? Yeah, guys, if you want to short it. If you want to buy it. When I want to short or buy, I always share. I always say I want to try to long this or short this. Okay. Yeah, share your analysis. Of course, guys. That's why we do like live streams. We're here to share our analysis, our opinion. Right? And Q still dumb so badish. It's gonna be a bit hard to keep long in this on yes, simply because we need to wait for NQ to switch first. We got W. It was our trade on yes. And our runner just 1 micro left. Stop and profit here. We did good. Just 1 trade taken today, nothing else. And I was trading Asia as well. Asia was good. My concern is SPX. SPX keep displaying 25-50% range, but since we took buy side, I don't mind to see 62. Friends, by the way, Argentina playing today, right? If I'm not mistaken, it should be on Wednesday. Gonna be interesting. I don't trade them, and like no matter what, I would try to trade evaluation, something else. I don't trade paper money account no matter what. It's just my psychological issue. I cannot trade this. I would try to buy evals to trade shit price action, but not on demo. I don't know why. It just destroys me, I guess. But I trade my funded on streams. Sometimes I trade evals, but I always say I trade evaluation today. But I trade fund 99% of the time. Yeah, I'm bullish on the yes. I really don't want to short this. I will be happy to miss short, skip this short. I don't care. I'm looking for longs to previous weekly high level, and that's it. My first try was amazing. We got absolutely made in W. Looking for the entry, but probably the entry near Asia low, for me personally. See this double fair value gap? On, can you see this? Yeah. On NQ, I want to see the tracing here now. Since this fair value below daily open, I do want to see the action here, retracement here. Since we got double fair value gap, looks good to me. So something like that. They play with England, right? It's gonna be interesting game. What time? 3 p.m. or 1 p.m. Eastern time? Don't remember. I like this team untapped for value gap 3 p.m. Okay. I will watch in replay. Thank you. Look at the yes, damn, so strong. NQ needs to push to this team untapped for value gap. It will be point of decision, long or short. Yes, because high time frame is consolidation. It's really shit there. But I wouldn't touch NQ now. NQ dropped a lot already, and trying to consolidate a little bit. I would probably just stay away. Definitely looks better though. Sorry guys. I'm okay to wait now for second trade. Let me find levels on NQ. Nice level here, which is sell side, right? Maybe we're gonna go there, right? Look how we're dancing on yes near 10 a.m. open and 9 a.m. open. Wow, decoupled market today. Yes, trying to break weekly open in New York, midnight open again. Approaching sell side on NQ. I'm gonna just wait now. I don't like how ES looks. Just will wait. Look at the drop, right? Look at the ES at the same time, right? I traded gold during Asia. I got nice, absolutely amazing W. You can see executions on my Twitter. I posted them. Guys, let's hit 500 likes and we'll start giveaway for today. Okay, trying to break. Let me just see something. Below weekly open and New York midnight open, this can be a nice trade idea. Not now, though. Yeah, guys, wish you good luck. It's really hard right now simply because ES is still bullish for me. No, one more sweep here, not wallet short. But if this plays, actually can play. Let's see if it's gonna displace. I might actually give it a try. How 2-minute chart looks. 20 seconds left on this candle. All right. Keep sweeping. Don't like it. Don't like it. Mixing signals here. Approaching sell side here. Trying to displace. Really trying. Let me switch on 3-minute chart here. Super decoupled market. Like, I never seen that before. That's what I want to say. I'm not in, but probably like, let me see. Like for micros, I'm not in. I will show you once I'm in trade. I don't like this one. So what I'm waiting for, not sweep, but displacement. It's gonna be wallet short. I don't want to enter now. Not wallet opportunities, though. Still flat. But probably gonna trade for micros. I just don't know what to expect from NQ. Probably I want to see reaction, retracement to 3-minute untapped for a value gap. Or displacement below weekly open in New York, midnight open on a yes. I would say Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, like, they look so similar. $9.50, okay. Nice one, by the way. I don't mind to try it, yes. Just need some sort of displacement. Something. Keep sweeping. I don't like the sweeps. See how we closed again? What the heck? Okay, let's see. Trying to displace. Can be good try. Let me... Can be good try here. We stop loss above 10 AM open. 10 AM open is here. Let me see. 1 second. Stop loss is here. I did not adjust. 1 second. 14. $93. Sorry guys, I need to adjust everything. 89. Like that. Got it. Just for micros, as I said before. 92.5. Like this, okay. Did I get good entry? Did I get good entry? Yes. For micros only. We got displacements that I was talking about before. How much am I risking? $200 again. Let's see. Mm-hmm. And I will long from here. Still keeping my risk super small, simply because I'm bullish. But short, like, we broke below New York midnight open. Short is here for me. I mean, worth to try. Look at this 2-minute chart, how we closed below this level. My stop loss is sitting at 10 AM open, because since we broke below New York midnight open, 10 AM open, 9 AM open, that's triple confirmation that we should go lower to opposite liquidity level, right? So what I'm watching now, how we gonna play with New York midnight open and weekly open. I will only long from... Oh God, I just noticed this. Look what happened here. Well, we just reached OT on the SPX. Damn it, okay. SPX can... Okay, whatever. Okay, let's see how we're gonna play with Asia low. SPX can reverse soon. But on... Just notice this. Okay, gonna leave this. I don't like shorts now because of SPX. But need to give this a try. SPX reached my key level. I didn't even partial. I didn't even see this. But it is what it is. Sometimes you need to set alerts, which I keep forget to do. Keep forget to do. I will trail here. SPX can reverse. That's the biggest issue for me. Don't like it. I don't like shorts anymore. Forget about this. I wish I saw this on... I mean, definitely can work, but I don't like how we're trying to respect 62%. It's definitely long opportunity soon. So never mind the shorts, guys. I don't like them anymore. Just never mind them. We'll look for longs. Not valid. Never mind them. I'm gonna finish this, but I don't like it. This one low probability now. SPX should offer long soon. We'll long here. This one. Stop loss below OT. That will be my trade here. I'm looking for longs. Above 25% of RTH gap on SPX. Plan is like exactly what... Never mind the shorts. I don't like it. It will be funny if it's going to work, but I don't like it. To be honest. SPX trade idea. We will use on yes, obviously. We long in above 25%. Gap fill previous weekly high level is our target. I'm gonna delete this one. I don't like it. Looking for longs. Which will line up with 64. It's 7 points higher from current price levels. 09. Okay, it's right above New York midnight open. Exactly same trade idea that we got here, I guess. This one. This one. So yeah, looking for long, guys. This short was unnecessary. We'll try this one. Look how on Incubit trying to respect sell side. Yeah, looking for longs, guys. Sorry for short, unnecessary trade. I did not notice how SPX respected OT. Waiting for entry, guys, now. We'll use SPX for entry, okay? It's around this level on yes, but we will use SPX for entry only. Not, I mean, not on long yet. No, no, no. But I will. That's my plan. Should work soon. Need to keep chart clean. I don't like it. So much garbage. Come on, SPX. I know you want this. I will continue trading for micros on this trade to keep my risk tight. So I want to see a bit higher on SPX still, guys. I want to see break above 25% of current RTH gap first. Cannot engage yet. I mean, I will tell you once I'm in trade. Let me adjust contracts for now. Come on, SPX. Give us trade. Surveillance. I know the guy who has like millions lines on his screen. I'm like, how you can trade this? How can you see this? How can you see this? Guys, let's hit 500 likes to start giveaway, okay? And gold, no, I don't like gold now. Painful. Mostly I trade with 150k accounts now, and my love is Take Profit Trader, guys. From the bottom of my heart, recommend to try Take Profit Trader. I don't know like why people still don't trade with them. Like best of the best. And I have some 50ks, but I prefer to trade 150ks now because it gives me bigger room for retracement and drawdown when I'm in trade. Yeah, but if you're a beginner or trade like with props like for a couple of months, stick to 50ks. Easier to build the buffer, easier to take payout with this kind of accounts. I switched to 150ks last year, I guess, and I love it. But guys, TPT, I know, like, I love it. Not lots of people talk about Take Profit Trader, but I don't know why. Well, my love. Lose it and Tradify. They have uncapped payouts, so once you build your buffer, you can take as much as you want from this account. They have nice live accounts as well, with end of the day drawdown. I mean, I love it. Yeah, I have to wait for the break above 25% on SPX to engage in my third trade already. So, kind of, I don't know. I don't know, guys. We will see how it goes now, but questionable here. Technically, it makes sense to go to Asia low because, damn, I want to see a daily open retest for I call this like minor manipulation on daily chart on current daily candlestick. So Take Profit Trade does not have one-time evaluation fee. They have monthly fee, but no activation fee. But since they don't have like, they have uncapped payouts, I guess it's worth it. I love it. I love it. I love it. From the bottom of my heart, I love it. Yes, keep screaming at me like Dasha, why you close this since you're trading below New York midnight open? But once again, I did try it. I didn't like shorts. I didn't like shorts because of SPX. Kind of choppy now. That's what I want to say, guys. I don't have you now. Just gonna wait. SMT at lows. SPX needs to break 20. I don't know. We will see. Guys, 80 more likes and we can start giveaway. Barbara, we did this right at the same time. That's funny. Honestly, looking at current move, setup looks exactly the same for short, but I'm scared to engage again in short simply because of SPX. Look how SPX playing with OT here. I mean, I can be wrong, but questionable. Let's wait a little bit. Oil right now, like trading inside small range, not for me. So normal risk for 150k account at the beginning, just like let's imagine, just got account is $350. On 50k, $200. Like it's small risk, but I love it. Today we're gonna do Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex, guys. Don't forget to click the like button. Let's start giveaway. After we hit 500 likes. Come on, 60 more likes to start. Just make sure to fill the form again. Don't confirm your email. I did Tradify yesterday. Oh no, yesterday was Legends. On Monday was Tradify. Today Lucid. Tomorrow we're gonna do Take Profit Trader. It's red flag for short simply because of SPX. I cannot imagine shorting this, knowing like we're expecting OT of RTH cap. So keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting. But guys, I want to say our performance pretty solid in July, June, May, April, March, always. But we're doing good inside, like, considering we have like tight consolidation on high time frame. We're getting good trades. Like maybe it's not big trades, but I love it. Good performance. Like I'm really proud of myself. Especially doing this on live streams. Damn, so good. I should not buffer in. I guess it's on your end. But sometimes because of internet, you know. Legends ran 60% off now. On their not Elite account, but different one. Not Elite. I bought like 60% off accounts. Yeah, just I remember Michael ICT long time ago said you need to adjust yourself to new market conditions because market gonna change from time to time. And I always love when I go on Twitter and see like this price action shit, not tradable, impossible to trade. Yes, it's hard to trade, but complaints that you cannot trade is like kind of strange. It's not price action, it's you. I will say I cannot blame price action. I just cannot see setup here. And our task as a trader is just be ready for this kind of shit price action and just adjust ourselves for this. Not hard, trust me. If you keep taking losses over and over again in these conditions, either just like take a break or reduce your contract size. Yes, I do. People don't understand this. That's why I always like laugh when I like scroll Twitter saying like, damn it, come on, like you big man. Why are you complaining? Why men love to cry about price action on Twitter? I don't understand this. I mean, it should be me. I should cry about price action. Frank, you need to be like get used to this, you know, right? I should cry, right? About price action. I'm girl. I can't do this. I usually say like no comments. Just it is what it is. Just it is what it is. Come on, SPX. People waiting, I'm waiting, give us fair trade. Second trade was unnecessary, don't pay attention to this. We cut this simply because of SPX. And this is, guys, that's why I execute on Ninja Trader, because I can see clearly invalidation on TradingView. I can jump between charts and see, well, here's invalidation of shorts. I'm gonna manage my risk, cut the trade here. Cut this here, or keep holding this because, okay, SPX technically can go lower. Yes, to dilute it. Yes, guys. Oh, yeah. Guys, if you just joined, we took this one, don't pay attention. I didn't want to take it. I just saw like break below New York midnight open, was like Asia low will be taken, but SPX humbled me. Okay, pay attention on this one. We took long with break above New York midnight open on ES. We closed most position off at this week on 2-minute chart. We were aiming for previous weekly high level. 1 micro left. We close this in profit, 6 points in profit. That's it. I don't know what to expect next. But I'm up $800 because I was trading Asia as well. You can see executions on my Twitter, but you cannot see this. I shorted gold yesterday for like almost $600. It's gonna consolidate a little bit since NQ took sell side, but definitely left room to go slightly lower. And I'm not fan of yes now. See how it's playing games with this discount, but doesn't want to take Asia low? That's wild. Pretty much equal there. Yeah, guys, 25 more likes and we will start giveaway. Let me type this in the chat. Sometimes people watching me on mute. I understand this. Oh. Like that. That's why, I mean, like, not easy price action, definitely. Sometimes you're gonna get no trades, sometimes you're gonna get bad trades, but sometimes it's gonna be good for you. See? People watching me on mute most of the time. That's funny. Okay, guys, I'm gonna send you link one more time to enter giveaway. Here's a link to enter giveaway. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna send many times. You're gonna click this link, fill the form, and we will start, okay? I told you. 76. Yeah, that's interesting. But Alan, this lines up with OT of RTH gap on SPX. Yeah, let me pin this. Yes, exactly. On TPT, we will talk about this. I'm gonna create post about the buffer today. Good question. I'm gonna have jiu-jitsu today. Maybe I will have time to do this. Ow. Yes, Mexican dance. Giveaway. Yep. Yeah, I will have 1 hour, so I will have time to create a post about buffer. Common question, by the way. For beginners, yes, obviously. Just smaller risk, smaller ranges. And Q, super volatile, big range. Easier to lose money rather than making money, so. Yeah, ES is a good boy, and Q is a bad girl. Hi, ICT. Hi, Michael. How are you? Visit good. I love it. It was decoupled market, but we won. Obviously, you shorted in Q from the top. We know this, but we didn't. I was trading ES. I kind of want to see ES to previous weekly high level. I know why it keep fighting. You know, someone in the chat said, this morning after your morning lecture, you said, be careful. And I was like, damn, Michael said, be careful. It's a sign for me like, Dasha, stay away. Don't take any trades. But it was such an easy long for me. I mean, textbook long. I had to try. But I did with smaller contract size. Just in case you're right again. And I'm going to take a class on Wednesday after be careful. So I decided to be like, okay, Dasha, just take this easy, Dasha. Take this easy. You remember, right? Every single time when you say be careful, it ends up so bad. Damn, that's funny. Well, guys, let's run giveaway now. Oops. Let's run giveaway now. Good trading, anyway. We keep winning. Why? I don't know why. We don't have answer. It's actually a nice deal on Apex, by the way. Doing Lucid 50k flex. Our first winner is... Make sure to let me know in the chat, okay? Like, hi, hello, I'm here, something. So first winner is Meiser. I cannot read this. Don't want to read this wrong. Are you here? Something, obviously. Yeah. Not surprised to see this. So guys, usually have... Oh, here, I see you. But usually you have 1 minute to claim your prize. Fast. I love it. Let's pick another winner. I will see another long, guys. Lagging. I will see another long soon on SPX. I'm gonna show you after giveaway. Not valid yet, though. Second winner, are you here? SPX long 3 points higher. Possible long opportunity. Yes, I see you. Guys, if you want to list accounts, make sure your country is not in the restricted list, okay? For this prop firm. Just make sure. Okay, let's back to charts. So I'm gonna send, not this one. I'm gonna send your account after stream. So SPX long here. Let's wait for this opportunity. SPX trying. Can be good long. We'll trade same for contracts, by the way. Did I read this? Okay. We'll use SPX. $12 points. Yeah, for micros. 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see. I'm gonna get nice trade. I hope so. We'll use SPX. Come on, displays. I will try. Oh, I traded intraday trading drawdown accounts a lot. Come on. Some displacement for me. I'll put my stop loss at these bodies. $10 points again. I mean, risk will be 10 points. We'll trade for micros, I guess. I'm not in trade yet, by the way. Come on, come on. Need displacement. I need displacement above this 25%. But first signal is here. I love it. Ow. Let's check 3-minute chart. Oops. Another break above New York midnight open and weekly open. Displays above 25%, please. Okay, I'm gonna give this 5 more minutes. If nothing, then we will finish day with 2 trades. If something, we will get 3rd trade today. Let's hope. Let's hope. I don't mind, at least. I mean, I know unicorn model, but I cannot say like I really trade. Let me delete this one. I really trade unicorn model. By the way, guys, if you want Lucid account, make sure to activate this as soon as possible, because I'm not super sure about how long these coupons are active. Sorry about this. It was loud. No, Chris, I'm not in longs yet. Not yet, but I will be soon in longs. Okay. I will use SPX one. I'm going to repeat this again. My entry will be based on SPX. Guys. All lessons, not all lessons, all levels I use and my concept, it's actually ICT Concept, but I put this in PDFs. My personal approach to trade ICT. Guys, link is here. Not valid long. I'm gonna move this for now. I don't like this yet. I don't like how SPX playing with 25% here. I mean, it can be valid, but not now. Guys, read, click last link. We just did giveaway. Click last link and watch my PDFs. It's like 9 lessons? I believe so. 9 lessons. Well, not valid. I'm gonna move to the right. You're very welcome. Oh yeah, it's all these PDFs available on my YouTube. I explained this with my voice in case you want to hear my voice. Yeah, let's do order block lesson, guys. So once again, it's gonna be a bit different from what ICT explained, but I use 2 different ways to pick order block. I'm gonna draw now, 1 second. You can see everything, right? Okay, just to make sure. I'm gonna disconnect account because I can accidentally click something. But I'm gonna explain 3 different ways to use, not 3, 2 different ways how to pick OB. Let me disconnect my account. Don't want to click accidentally something there. Disconnect, yes. Yeah, done. So it's high time frame level. It can be any level. It can be liquidity level. It can be order block. It can be fair value gap on high time frame. Any liquidity level. Let me make this bigger. So let's say we hit high time frame level. And who can help me with 3 signs of smart money reversal, SMR, smart money reversal. Okay. Who can help me with this? Does anyone know 3 signs of smart money reversal? Who can help me with this? First one. Let's talk about this. What should happen on lower time frame in order to confirm smart money reversal? Yes, order block, it's important. I mean, higher time frame level, obviously. 2 OB. 3 SMT, like nice, but not necessary. Market structure shift. So that's, for me personally, that's 3 signs of potential reversal. In other words, we call the smart money reversal. Why we call the smart money reversal? Technical transition from buy program to sell program, from sell program to buy program, okay? That's our 3 signs. That's it. But we use lower time frame OB. Let me actually change this. Lower time frame OB, lower time frame market structure shift. So this last 2 will confirm potential reversal. Market structure shift. Structure shift. Like that. Okay, can you see this? Yeah, just to make sure. Nice. So let's say we hit high time frame level. Now we're gonna wait something like that. So technically waiting for market structure shift. It's gonna confirm potential reversal and order block. Let's say market structure shift gonna be here. Here's our high time frame level. But how to pick right order block? Because sometimes we want to be early. We want to trade possible reversal, but we cannot know for sure yet if it's gonna be reversal or not. We can take low risk buy or low risk sell at this point. Oh, look at the yes. 1 second. 2K is low finally. Okay. We have 2 options to pick OB. We can use sequence of. It's my personal preference to use order block. We can use sequence of done close candles. I'm gonna make this darker, okay? Like that. No, actually, let's do here and like that. Here's your sequence done close candles. I'm gonna move this here. Okay. And green here, okay? So here's your sequence done close candles. At this point, if you don't mind, I'm going to remove this one. At this point, we can use sequence of done close candles. Once we get in the closure above sequence of done close candles, I want to say here's the order block. Here's sign of potential reversal. We get in the closure, perfect, amazing. Here's your reversal. But sometimes we have huge sequence of down close candles or up close candles. It's just impossible to place good stop loss. So we're gonna avoid this. So at this point, if we have small bodies or small wicks and like regular body, we can use entire sequence, including wicks. It's gonna be your OB, but sometimes we having an unhealthy wicks. I call this like that. It's gonna look like that. So at this point, absolutely no reason to wait for the closure above the wick. We're using only body. So wicks make wicks play a huge role here. If it's gonna be small wick, we're gonna use entire like sequence of candles, including wicks. If you have unhealthy wick like that, we're gonna use only body. It's important to know this, okay? It's first approach, my favorite one. I absolutely in love with this. But once again, sometimes I'm gonna just show you example with this. We're having lots of down close candles and just impossible to engage in this like that. Oops. It's just impossible to engage because like sequence of down close candles covers both premium and discount. We don't like it. Like why we need to risk a lot on this trade. Obviously, I'm not gonna wait for closure above sequence of down close candles here because what the heck, I'm gonna enter here, put my stop loss here. I'm going to aim for buy side. It's just unhealthy order block. So at this point, we have option number 2, how to use order block. We're gonna use sequence or candle that touch high from level. At this point, what touch high from level? What candle? This one? No. This one? No. Very first candle that touch high from level was here, see? At this point, I'm gonna see how many candles we have right after this. 1, 2. Okay. I'm gonna use this as my OB. Number 2. I'm gonna use this sequence as order block. Not like 4 candles, not 10 candles, not 3 candles, like as many, I don't care how many candles we have before. If we have like huge sequence of down close candles, zero reason to try use a sequence. Use the very first candles that touch high from level. But let's say we got this one, right? So this candle did not touch this high time frame level, but this one, yes, it did. We're gonna use just this candle, right? Last than close candle, because it's the very first candle that traded into order block. So yes, in previous example, 2 candles will be changing the state of delivery. In third example, only 1 candle, because this candle traded into this high time frame level. Okay? At this point, once we get in the closure above season healthy wick, big wick, we're gonna use only body. Once we get in the closure above this level, we can consider potential long from here to aim for opposite liquidity level. If we get in like that, something like that, let me bring this back. Like that, we're gonna use exactly the same approach. We're gonna wait for the closure above this level. Let's say we got the closure here. Did we close above this sequence of 2 down close candles? Yes, we did. We're gonna enter at the open of next candle. TP here, stop loss here. Well, yes, nice question about isn't the number of candles depends on the high time frame. Listen now careful. In order to understand on which time frame I'm gonna use order block, we're gonna use time frame alignment chart. Oops. How to write this word? Like that? Yeah. Time frame alignment chart. For this, we're gonna use first one is gonna be high time frame. High time frame. No. Weekly, daily, H4 4 chart, H1 hourly chart, M15 15-minute chart. No, 30 chart. M15, M5. It's your high time frame, okay? Let me move this a bit higher. Like that. It's important, guys. Take note here because this part is super important. So lower time frame from weekly chart gonna be 4 chart, 4 hourly chart, 1 hour chart. I'm gonna explain everything now, guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna explain everything now. So in order to understand which time frame I need to use for order block and market structure shift, we want to see on which time frame we traded into high time frame level. Was this high time frame level on daily chart? Maybe it was on hourly chart. Maybe it was on 15-minute chart. It's important to know this. So let's say we hit 4-hour order block, bullish OB. So we're gonna switch on 15-minute chart and we're gonna look for order block there. So it's very important to understand time frame alignment chart, because when you see reaction from daily for a value gap, let's say we trade into daily for a value gap, I don't know, like let's try to find example. Just like example, okay? See this daily fair value gap? We trade into the daily fair value gap on ES. So at this point, we're gonna use this one, this table, daily chart, give us hourly market structure shift, order block, market maker buy model. We're gonna switch on 1 hour chart and see what happened here. So what happened here? Did we get market structure shift? Yes, we got this. So see, we got huge down close candle here and this candle. Both candles traded into high time frame level. Unfortunately for us, order block will be confirmed once we get in the closure above this down close candle. Why? Because that candle was very first candle that traded into high time frame level and also its sequence. So we got the closure. We're gonna place long. We got market structure shift as well. Stop loss here, and we're gonna aim for 2R. Obviously, we did not trade this there yet, but we will, I hope so. Still playing with this trade, but definitely possible to get this one later. This month, maybe. So, guys, part about order block selection makes sense. Ask questions. Ask questions about order block. Born. Hey! We were waiting for 11 to talk about this. It works everywhere. It doesn't matter. Yes, Bitcoin, like whatever. I already closed my Ninja Trader. We took long today and we shorted second, but let me show you. We took these trades. This one and I wasn't short here, but I cut at break even. And I was in this trade. I cut at break even, didn't like this one. That's 2 trades we took today on stream. It's your task to find a high time frame level. Remember, you want to trade long from discount and you want to short from premium. I don't care if it's a yes or NQ. If I see setup, good setup on NQ, I will enter on NQ. So breaker block technically is failed order block. So it was order block before, but it failed to work. It's becoming most of the time breaker block. Yes, at this point, very first, if you have like huge sequence of down close candles or up close candles, we're not gonna use this. We're gonna use only sequence, or it can be just one single candle that traded into high time frame level. So obviously you're not gonna wait for, let's say we have something like that. Do you want to use this sequence of down close candles here to aim for buy side? No, of course not. We're gonna use only sequence that traded into high time frame level. Once again, sometimes it can be just one candle. It's okay, this happens a lot. We're gonna use this one as OB. Let's see. Yeah, let's take a look at examples. What level I have here? Let me delete everything from here. Yeah, technically it can be. Yeah, sure. We got 30-minute sweep. Let's find good example, like textbook one. We swapped lows here. Yes, definitely can work. We can use 30-minute chart, for example. I believe hourly as well. Yeah, hourly as well. So what can happen here? We got sweep of equal lows. Can I choose as high time frame level? Yes, of course. So what will be order block? Once again, yeah, we have kind of tight consolidation here. Not fun. But it can be OB. But it can be first sign. It can be early sign for us to long this. Once again, in order to confirm smart money reversal, we need to have 3 signs. It's high time frame level, low time frame order block, low time frame market structure shift. Of course, we can use only OB for our low risk buy. Right? It's not a problem. Definitely can work. No questions. But also we can wait for confirmed entry, which will be with market structure shift. So we're gonna wait for the break above this level here. And definitely we can try to long. Yes, we're getting signs of smart money reversal over here. So guys, personally, for high time frame levels, I use liquidity level, order block, fair value gap. Nothing else. I don't use supply and demand areas. I don't use breaker blocks. I don't use mitigation blocks. I don't use propulsion blocks. I don't use, what else? You got. Only, for me personally, it's my personal view on high time frame level. It's OB, oops, fair value gap, liquidity. That's how I use high time frame levels. Once again, you can use different ones. I don't use rejection block a lot. So guys, any questions? Liquidity levels, support and resistance, high and low on medium time frame. What is medium time frame, guys? Oops. 15-minute and 30-minute. That's medium time frame for me. So when we have downtrend, yes, bullish order block will be down close candles. When we have uptrend, bearish OB will be sequence of up close candles. During Asia, I trade only gold. I don't like volatility on indices during Asia, just wasting of my life, wasting of my time. I don't like it. I don't use volume imbalances, by the way, at all. So guys, any other questions? You can take screenshot of this picture. Actually, I can save this as well. I'm gonna post in Discord now. It'll be better to see this. Yeah, lots of confusion about how to pick right OB. It's my personal approach. I know it works because we trade this every single day. You can see on my live streams, we trade different types of order blocks. I posted them in Discord, by the way, by the screenshot. Yes, in Q form, yes, it is. But first, yes, we got OB. But once again, we can treat this as early sign of reversal. Definitely can work. But once again, in order to confirm smart money reversal, we need to have high time frame level, OB, and market structure shift. So definitely it can work, but preferably we want to get shift in structure, which will be market structure shift closure above this level. But here's the early sign, yes, for longs. Any other questions, guys? Important to understand this first part, guys. Really important to understand. Don't blindly trust order block and that's it. We cannot reverse from nowhere. We must take some sort of level on high time frame, right? And here's your time frame alignment chart. We can hit 5-minute level. It can be high time frame for 30-second chart, as 30 means 30-second chart. This is how you want to use this. Yes, change in the state of delivery. Why it calls change in the state of delivery? Why we call this change in the state of delivery? Because it's change in something, right? It's keyword change here. At this point, in the state of delivery, change in order flow, right? So change in the state of delivery creates real order block. Oops, order block. That's important to understand this. I'm gonna highlight this with red color. I know some people use change in the state of delivery. They call this fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, which absolutely makes zero sense to me. Fair value gap, in my humble opinion, on lower time frame, cannot confirm change in structure. That's my opinion. That's why I always like, how change in the state of delivery is fair value gap at this point? This doesn't make any sense to me. Does not have any logic. Change in the state of delivery creates a real order block. That's it. We swept equal lows on high time frame. Open 30-minute chart, hourly chart. My strategy step by step available on my YouTube. Like step by step. I'm gonna send link now. I even included a backtest there. Let me send you a link. Step by step, guys. Link is here. Let me delete this message. Yes, inversion fair value just entry model, but it cannot, in my opinion, it cannot confirm a reversal. Interesting question. Would you ever use a failure of a model as information? That's an interesting question. I will think about this. My win rate 68%, guys. It's getting better. It was 62% last month. 68. So once again, guys, maybe ICT explains this in a bit different way. I understand this, but I use this approach. You can watch my previous live streams. It works. As long as this works, we're gonna trade this one. Let me copy and paste like this one now. Yeah, guys, everything makes sense. Any other questions? Free PDFs. It should work. 1 second. I'm gonna send again. Free PDFs here, guys. If you have questions about standard deviation projections here, use this link. Should work. Click this. What is rejection block? ICT explained in core content month 4. He did a good job there. SPX trying again. Guys, I didn't change strategy since almost 2 years. Just sometimes I have break-even trades. Sometimes I have losing trades. Sometimes more losing trades than I expect to get. Like, same strategy. Frank said something again? Market only. Market orders only. Help. By the way, did you watch my OT retracement video on my YouTube? I explain how to pick right swing point there, so it can be your buy side and sell side. Watch my video about OT or optimal trade entry. So I explained everything about how to pick right swing points. Guys, I don't trade inversion very well because I really don't know how it works. I don't know how to pick right one. Yes, OT video. Let me send you link. 1 second. I'm gonna send you link now. Share. Watch this video, guys. How to pick right swing points. I cover it there. R2, I didn't trade RTY. I mean, I was trying to love this, but same as YM, it says F you, Dasha. F you, Dasha. Summarize, please. Here's the picture. I posted in free Discord. Everything summarized there. I use only order block for entry. Only and only. Did I say I only use order blocks for entry? Yes, I use only order blocks for entries. It really keeps it simple, guys. Yes, 3-minute chart. It's personal. I guess it's personal preference. I 30 minutes SIP, 3 minutes OB. Still trade this. Nothing changed. Another chance, you think so? How to use FIP levels, I explained. 1 second, I will try to find the video for you. Everything explained, guys, already. Almost 2 years ago. Oops. I don't need to watch this. 1 second. 1 second. Here is a link about standard deviation projections. 5 different ways how to use FIP retracement tool. Let me actually mention you again. This one. ESNQ. I need to chat with Chris more because it's important topic to talk about this. I didn't have video about SMT divergences, but damn, I need to record this because it's so important. It's me, it's not more about. My stop loss on NQ sometimes 140 points as well. Don't think about points. Think about how much you're going to risk on this trade. Sometimes if you see like 140 points, 200 points stop loss, but you're going to make 400, 500 points, trade 1 micro. Adjust your contract size, not your stop loss. It's easier for me to find the video because I know where it is, where to find this. Just easier for me. I'm faster in this. Guys, any other questions? Did I answer a question about OB? How to pick this one? I guess I did. How I decide target, I covered in this video. Different options to pick the target. Also personal preferences. It can be just 2R, it can be liquidity levels, and it can be projections, guys. Here, how to pick targets covered here in this lesson. Let me mention you, so you will see this probably. I use market order only. Only market order. You always can see this. Only market order. I don't like limit orders. Not fun. I did giveaway. We did giveaway earlier. So yeah, need to work on a video about SMT somehow. Yes, I mean, sometimes if it's like really too much for you to risk, switch on a yes. Or just avoid. I know, like, we don't have any other options. Unfortunately, market... Okay, like, someone create nano contracts for us. We cannot afford to risk more than $200. How I calculate risk? Absolutely. If you go on my website, I'm gonna show you now. On my website, funded.now, I have Pro Tools. See this futures lot size calculator. I just enter my account size here. It's like optional. How much I want to risk? $350. So let's say our risk on ES today 18 points. I'm gonna trade ES. So at this point, it's gonna calculate for you how many contracts you need to trade. Let me send you a link for this calculator. Here's the link, guys. Here's the link. So at this point, it will tell you how many contracts you can afford to trade. For example, 3 micros only, not more, not less. I mean, less, obviously, less. But let's say my stop loss on MNQ, I'm gonna trade MNQ 120 points. See, I can only trade 1 micro, not more. So link in the chat, guys, if you want to try to use this. It's really helpful tool, yes. Also, I have consistency rule calculator here. So for example, if you don't know how to calculate consistency rule, is here. Just enter your PNL on this table and it will show you how much extra you need to make to meet consistency rule. You can pick prop firm here. It will tell you. Super helpful tools, free tools for those who trades prop firms. How many points? Once again, it totally depends on your personal preferences. It can be like 2R. I actually explained in this video. Let me show you again. But personal preference. Maybe you're like 1R trader. Take like TP at 1R. Maybe you standard deviation projections trader. Take your TP at 2 and 2.5 or 4 standard deviation. Maybe you are like trading from level to level, from buy side to sell side, from sell side to buy side. Lock your profit there. Maybe you trade only 2R. 2R is your TP. Yeah, Alan, this also works. Manipulation? I can consider this, yes, but once again, not main signal for me to enter the trade. We can trade manipulation, so it's not a problem. Guys, any other questions? Ask. We can do this kind of lessons by the end of each stream. Just think about questions first. I'm not showing the chart anymore. Yeah, we're done with giveaway. Yeah, guys, think about topic for a new lesson and we'll do tomorrow again. Propulsion block, technically order block. So technically it's a candle that traded into previous OB. Let's talk about propulsion blocks tomorrow. I'm tired to talk. Guys, any other questions? Decoupled market, that's a very important topic. We actually need this for like video on YouTube about this. Guys, I posted this screenshot in my free Discord just in case you want to save this. What else? I will see you tomorrow at 9. Tomorrow's Thursday, right? Yes, at 9 a.m. We're gonna kill tomorrow. We killed this today. We killed this yesterday. We keep killing this every single day. I'm not live for doing Asia this week. Yes, market structure shift is optional. It's just additional confirmation for us. And I would say not additional. It's strong confirmation for that our trade is correct. But I normally enter, I call this low risk buy or sell using just OB and nothing else. I hope so. So guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. I hope you enjoy this kind of lessons. I posted a screenshot of this lesson on my free Discord, main room there. See you guys tomorrow. If you have any other questions, you can send me so we can talk about them tomorrow, okay, after stream. What else? Nothing else, I guess. Thank you guys. Appreciate your support. We are the best as always. Love you. See you tomorrow. And thank you so much. Yes, still tasting gold during Asia. Yes. Love you guys.